Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Math Talk. This channel mainly focuses on middle school math, high school math, SAT math, ACT math, Regents math, PSAT math, and GI math. Today's topic is about math inequality and graphing the solution on the number line. After you see the video, if you think it's helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like to the video. Now let's go to today's topic. Inequality mainly can be divided into three categories. The first one is the simple inequality. Simple inequality such as like this. For example, we have three x minus 2 smaller 2x minus 3. Okay, for simple inequality, basically means we only have one expression for the inequality. Okay, in order to solve this inequality, usually we can do like this: move all of the variables to the left side and move all constant numbers to the right side. Then you can get the solution. Now let's do it. Okay. Now we move the 2x to the left side. Similar thing. When you move the 2x to the left side, it changes sign, becomes negative 2x. And similarly, you move the negative 2 to the right side, negative 2 becomes positive 2. Okay, so minus, that is x, that is negative 1. So that is the result. Okay. Okay, now we graph it under the number line. Okay, that is 0. That is the negative 1. Because this is the smaller, not includes the equal sign. So this should be looks like this. Is a circle. Okay. This is how to graph it. Okay. This is one thing. Okay. Now I want to give you another example, such as okay. Okay, similar thing. We move all of the variable to the left side. We move the constant number to the right side. Okay, do it. When you move the x to the left side, it becomes negative x. Okay. When you move the 5 to the left side, it becomes the negative 5. Okay. Now both sides we need to divide it to negative 2. Here is a tricky part. Okay, remember for the inequality, when you multiply all divide a negative number, the great the in sign should flip. Okay, what does this mean? For example, for this one, both sides we divided -2 because -2 is a negative number. So this this inequality sign should flip. Okay, so flip means looks like this. You see, greater or equal becomes small or equal. Okay. So that is very important. Okay, some of our friends will always, make this mistake. Okay, so we get the final result. Seven, 2, 7/2. So that is the final result. Okay, for the the number graphing on the number line, select this 7/2 because this time it includes because it includes the 7/2. So that is the dot, not a circle. Okay, I should be look at this way. Okay, that is for the the simple inequality. Now we see the example about the compound. Compound inequality. I give you an example. For example, basically, me look at this. Sorry. Basically, they have two inequality expression. Okay, we solve this one by one. First, we solve the first one. Okay, x great. Okay, then we solve the second one. Okay, so that's the result. Okay, now we graph it. Six. Okay, this is should be a circle. Okay. This part is greater than 40. This part is smaller than -6. Okay, this is one kind of compound inequality. The second type of a compound equality looks like this. (22) Okay, when you see those kind of inequality, you can understand this expression looks like this. And, okay, remember this is the and, not or, okay? Okay, we also solve this one by one, okay? I move the 5x to the left side. 5x. Okay, this is the solution for this one. Now we solve this one. Okay. Okay. So this is the final result. You see the result asks x greater than -3 and x smaller or equal to 2. Okay, so we express in this result on the number line. Okay, this one is a dot. Okay. This one is a circle. Okay. So the x in this area. Okay. So this is about the the compound inequality. Okay. Okay, the third one is okay. We see absolute value inequality. For example, the first example is when you see a absolute value inequality smaller than number, you can write down this like this. Okay, so this is a and. Okay, so we get and. Okay, we solve it. For this one, okay. The second one, so this is the final result. X greater than -1 and smaller than a. So on the real number line, circle in this area. Okay, so that is the one kind of absolute value inequality. We see another example. For example, looks like this. Okay, when you see above values, inequality greater than a number, so this can write down look like this. Or so remember, so let's see the difference. Well, above value, smaller than number, so this can be expressed and. But when above value, greater than number, this can be expressed as all. So remember this rule. This is very important. Okay, now we solve it. Okay, we also solve this. Okay, so that is the final result. Okay, x greater or equal 4 or x small or equal is negative 22 over 3. Okay, we express on the number line. Oh, sorry. That is a dot. Okay. Okay. That is a dot. Okay, not a circle. This is also dot. Okay. So this part is greater than 4, equal 4. This part is smaller or equal than negative 22 over 3. So okay, now we summarize. For the simple inequality, you just solve it and express the result in a number line. Remember, in the process for for solving the inequality equations, when you multiply or divide a negative number, you must flip the inequality sign. This is very important. Okay, so many of our friends make mistake in this place. Okay. Uh, the second type is the compound inequality. Compound inequality have all or and. Okay, no matter is all or and, you just solve it and express the result in the number line. And okay, the third type is the opposite value inequality. For opposite value inequality, when the opposite value smaller number, so this is and compound inequality. When the opposite value is greater than a number, so this is all compound inequality. Okay, so when you remember all of this rule, I think you can solve all of the inequalities questions. Okay, thanks for you watching this video. If you have some comments, please leave your comments And if you have some question you don't understand, you can also write down your question in the comment area. I'll try my best to answer your question. Thanks everyone.